The question given on the board, it might look like a complicated question at first glance, but it's from the first chapter of trigonometry, and obviously if it's from the first chapter, it is a very easy question. So our first statement, 4 cot theta is equal to 3. Let's rewrite it as cot theta equals to 3 by 4. We're just transposing it there. And then we know that cot theta, we can also write it as adjacent by opposite, which you can see from the triangle right here. This is the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle. This is the side opposite to it, and this is the side adjacent to the hypotenuse. So we can write this adjacent by opposite as 3 by 4, where our adjacent side equals 3 and the opposite side equals 4. And then in the question, we have to find sine theta, which is opposite by hypotenuse, and cos theta, which is adjacent by hypotenuse. One thing is common in both of them, which is the hypotenuse, and we do not know the value of the hypotenuse. Since this is 3, this is 4, we can use the Pythagoras theorem. A square plus b square equals c square. It's the Pythagoras theorem. C being the hypotenuse. So now a is given, which is 4 square. Our b is given 3 square. We have to find out the c square. Let's write it as c is equal to root of 4 square plus 3 square. 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9. Add them, we get root of 25, which is 5. Now let's plug in this 5 in these values. Our opposite side is 4, and our hypotenuse, which is also c, is 5. Our adjacent side is 3, and our hypotenuse is again 5. Now let's substitute the values in this. So we got sine theta, which is 4 by 5, and then minus cos theta, which is 3 by 5, upon sine theta 4 by 5, and then there is cos theta, which is 3 by 5. Simplify it. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 by 5. And the second one, 4 plus 3, 7 by 5. This 5 and 5 get cancelled. The answer is 1 by 7. Hope you all understood. Thank you for watching the video.